You mother...
So here we are at the paint shop, and I thought we'd just come on and have a look how he's getting on with the painting. So as you can see, the components are getting ready for the big spray up, and we're just getting it all ready inside the panel beater shop here. And side panels are hollow, speedo bezels, headlight bucket, chain guard, and that glorious tank.
Make it a bit prettier.
Yeah, look at that. Nice sparkle to it. Lovely. Yep. Nice. So it goes in for the big paint this afternoon. We'll see what we get. So here we are inside the spray booth, and as you can see on the left here, we've got our side panels ready to go, and of course the tank is just sitting over a little bit more to the other side. This is where the magic happens, right? So I've decided to let Lex carry on and do the rest of the painting. He's got about 2 or 3 more coats to go. So yeah, just a quick insight of getting the tank painted and the side panels painted. Really exciting. Well, today's the day we're starting off with the rebuild, and straight away we got this guy just putting a bit of grease in here.
Today's the day we put the front end on.
Yep, the front end's coming on, and we're clearing up ball bearings down here. With my grandson actually working on. Hey, Ez.
Yeah.
Okay, so we just gently put this down here like that. How's that feeling?
It's good, so I just need to give that a crank with a nice pair of poly grips and a...
Oh, it's nice.
Again?
Right, this is where the fun and games start. See, we've got a spring in here.
Okay, we're going to put these new O-rings on the top of the fork bolts. Now the best thing to do with O-ring is obviously lube it, because you do not want an O-ring to turn.
So what type of lube do you use? Just a bit of...
Well, the top quality WD-40.
Okay. Have they sponsored us?
I think they have.
Okay, cool. Nice. Oh, they look sharp, don't they?
They look very sharp. Alright, let's go and put one on.
Yep, the old one and the new one. Wow. Cool.
Wow. Alright, let's do the other one and we'll be back soon.
Okay, here we go. Oh, we have a bit of a problem.
I think we may need a rubber hammer just to give it a quiet tap.
Okay, so we're about to mount the handlebars. You have a look down here. Handlebars are going to go. I'll give you that, Jace, if you want, just to see. See this down here? We're going to get right into his fingers in the top. Yeah. Excuse me. I'm sitting here. Hold on. I think like that. Something like that. Okay, Jason, how are we going with the lugs?
Good,
there,
we're
mate?
just putting the little rubbers in for the risers.
Yeah. And then they will go over there like that.
This one's being a
Proverbial.
Oh, I got it.
Oh yeah, cool. I think. Okay, so we've got that little just sitting there at the moment while Jason's applying a little bit of glue just to give it a bit of a how's your father as it goes in, just enough so it reaches a handlebar without going too far in, and because it'll all splush out at the end anyway, won't it? Oh wow, we're miles away.
Yeah.
Nice.
I'd already measured that actually.
Sorry?
I'd already measured that in my mind.
Well done. Make sure you get it all in there.
Oh.
Hang on.
Hold on. Ready? Oh.
No sound effect.
So now we've got to give it a little bit.
You were expecting a...
Yeah,
Hey,
I did, but it had no pop.
No. Do it again and I'll do the sound effect.
Oh, okay. Ready?
That's good. Yeah, great. Right. Okay.
I'm going to wait for it to be tacky. So we'll give it a couple of minutes.
Yeah, give it a couple of minutes. Okay, so we're undoing bits and pieces, such as the... throttle cable turn. Oh. Interesting tool of choice.
That's not going to work.
Okay.
I was being lazy.
Let me get a
because
spanner.
I was sitting down.
Let me get a spanner. Do you want a spanner?
Yes, please.
Okay, hang on.
You mother...
Right, we're putting down the camera and we're going to change tools.
Look what we did.
Beautiful.
Oh, we got throttle, return. Look at them turning. That's just a beautiful thing. Okay.
Nice. Do that again. Nice. And there we have it. We've got the new start switch fitted and the handlebars on. Left handlebar indicator unit fitted. And now we're just going to run these cables back in where the old starter switch was. Let's have a look and see where they go. Right, so I ordered some product from Tainan City in Taiwan, and this was freight free, this whole box. And the amazing thing is, it took 4 days to get here from Taiwan, New Zealand.
Really?
So we'll open it up and I'll show you what I got, eh?
Ooh,
Just a bit.
don't we love packages?
We do love packages.
What's this one? Oh!
Just check to make sure the backs are right. the backs have a different fitting on them. Hopefully they understood my English. Yes, they did. Sorry, they're the backs. This guy doesn't even know the difference between the back and the front of it. So we'll quietly just open one up carefully. And we'll have a look, eh? It's plastic wrap. Oh, it's even wrapped up again. Look at that. Sealed
Look
in a
at
package.
that. Oh, I'm jealous now. That'll fit my bike, won't it?
No, no way.
No.
No way. But that's got the right fitting. If you can get a
Yeah.
close up of that fitting there, that's the right fitting for the rears.
So these were from Taiwan.
Taiwan of all places. So, I don't know how good the chrome's going to be. And
Well-
they may rust out sooner than later, but if the bike stays in the shed and goes out on a nice fine day, I can't see these being a problem, can you?
Now, would you mind just whipping it out of that bag so we can have a look?
Yeah, I was going to show you something compared to my old ones. But the problem with the old ones is that the chrome has rusted right the way through. I just
Look
can't.
at that.
I just can't bring it back out.
Wow.
But if we put it up against,
And did it come with a bulb?
yeah, this is obviously for this side, but they're about the right length. You can adjust them in and out, but especially this one here, if you get a close up of that, you can see that the rust is just gone, the chrome's just gone. So that's going to work well.
Oh my
So
god.
and they look pretty close for
Well, they're identical.
They're pretty close, aren't they?
Yep, same mould.
So I'll keep the originals anyway, obviously, but they're just going to go on and make it ping, eh?
Wow.
Okay, so sorry, carry on.
Look at this. Excuse me.
Look at that.
Just move aside a bit.
Yeah, sure, I'll try to move on this span.
Handlebars are on.
Yes.
Grips are on.
Yep.
That was pretty simple. But now we're going to get into putting the indicators on.
Right, at great expense, we've got these indicators, and don't they look nice?
Ooh,
Just sitting there, and this time we're going to put that horrible nut at the bottom of the...
yes.
Because we realised that